Scrapwood challenge, Scrapwood challenge. It's crap, it's firewood, but some of the wood is good.
One side of the strips are planed, but the other side has the bandsaw marks. I've just made this quick jig to try and smooth those out and get them all to the same thickness. As you can see, this platform has two sides. I just hot glued those on, and then that's clamped to the belt sander. I've set that platform in the right position. When you run something over it, it just catches the belt. This bit here controls how thick to make the pieces. It's a bit crude and you could definitely do something better. The gap at the top needs to be wide enough to fit in the strip quite comfortably. This side here, this is where we set our gap against the belt. The two bottom holes are drilled out slightly wider than the shank of the screw, and that allows this piece to move up and down, but that's okay because it limits how far it can move. As we want to go thinner, we just turn the screws in ever so slightly each time. I'm going to call that one a fail. It's quite effective, but I ended up making a pig's ear of it. I think the veneers came out really well. I'm happy with those, but I got a bit too aggressive with these kinks on here, and after that I was struggling and I was fighting with it the whole way. I was going to put a coat of clear on it, but I'm not going to bother now. But hopefully you enjoyed the video anyway. If you did, please like and subscribe. If you could share the video or the playlist for the Scrapwood Challenge, that would be fantastic too. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to tune in tomorrow for the last instalment of the Scrapwood Challenge.